think it's time for you kids to be running along to bed. Santa Claus will be here in just a few hours.
I think he's already here.
Charlie, we love you.
The swamplands of southeastern Australia. As the monsoon rains ease and the water level drops, they come alive with a vast array of animal life. A flock of ibis take up position in an old dead red gum and arrange themselves along the branches and closer to the trunk. Christ, we shot a lot of this, didn't we? The straw-necked pelican is another water bird that makes its home here on the swamplands of eastern Australia. We show it here as a means of getting away from that bloody tree. Meanwhile, on another part of the swamp, thousands of silver-winged pelicans take flight, heading off on a migratory journey that will take them from the wetlands of southeastern Australia over 10,000 kilometres north. And it looks like we're going to show every second of it. This annual pilgrimage is even more tedious in slow motion and just plain ridiculous in reverse. Meanwhile, back at the tree. Yes, still sitting there. Oh, one of them's got a piece of grass. How very clever. And I thought dolphins were smart. That's brilliant. Whoops, another one's doing it. Oh, well, they could put on a show at SeaWorld. Still, at least we haven't been subjected to that Peer Gynt suite yet. Uh-oh, spoke too soon.